so on and so forth. Now please see that during the talk of almost 30 to 40 minutes, whatever we had, we have just tried to throw light on the facts that the things are quite interesting. It needs only to not to mug up, but to understand the things thoroughly. You see that if the whole of the physics, if you learn properly, if you understand the whole topics, I have no reason to answer you, I have no confusion in the answer that the number of pages in the form of notes which will cover is not more than 15 to 20 or maybe maximum 30 to 35 pages, which are to be remembered, which can be remembered very easily by a better student. So the need is to understand the things, not to mug up. And second part is how to compete for PMT and PT and any other various competitions. The method is the students are found to not to do mathematical problems. This is a lacking in the students. I recommend that you should solve as many problems as possible. If you don't solve problems, please note the meaning of what they have named it as such. Problems, P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. Problems mean problems. If you have not solved problems, there are only problems before you. So if you don't solve numerical problems, you will never get selected in medical or engineering courses. Apart from this, what you should do is, should solve as many problems, as many questions, answers on the topic. First understand the whole topic. Like for example, Boyle's law, how much was to understand? Only 2 lines. Out of Charles' law, how much was to understand? Only 2 lines, which I did not make you understand. I'll tell you in the coming cassettes. Now, how much you have to understand in Newton's laws of motion? Only a few lines. And in a whole talk of 30 to 40 minutes, how much you had to remember is not more than 1 or 2 pages. Then what does it need? To solve as many questions on the topics as possible, as many objective form questions to enjoy on them. Now we have seen that the students are habitual to mug up questions. You are making in this way the study more disinteresting, more lengthy, whereas it is in fact very short to understand, and it is very easy to solve questions by understanding. You are making it difficult by mugging up. Now we will, in the next cassette, we will see chemistry. Please prepare your chemistry part, that is organic chemistry. We will come up with a question, the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and if possible chloroform, if possible alcohols. We will learn in the next cassette, which is due to come up, and you are requested to prepare thoroughly before that, so that you can understand them properly.